Morning students. So today in this video we will revise chapter number 4, the cop and the anthem. I will tell you the whole chapter in a summarized way so you can recall the chapter very easily and then you will learn the question answers. So this chapter, the cop and the anthem. Cop means policeman's, anthem some song, some just like our national anthem who change our life, who gives a great message to everyone. Okay, so that type of a song called anthem. So the cop and the anthem. This is a story about a homeless man named Soapy. Okay, Soapy is a homeless, jobless man. So Soapy didn't have any job. He did not even have any money to sustain himself, to survive uh, himself. Okay, for his survival, he did not have any money. He could see the signs which were suggestive of the approaching winter. That time belongs to winter season. So Soapy had to find some way to protect himself from the cold winter, as he did not have house. He decided to get into prison on Backwell's Island for 3 months in order to have a warm place to spend winters. So his plan was to dine at a fine restaurant and then to refuse to pay for the food. He thought that the cop would be called for arresting him. However, it did not go as planned. Looking at his broken shoes and torn clothes, he was turned out by the waiter. Next, he broke a shop window. Since he remained standing there and did not run away, the cop did not believe him to be culprit. Culprit means um, a thief. The particular cop, the particular policeman, did not consider him as a thief and he did not arrest him. After that, Soapy tried his initial plan at cheaper restaurant. Okay. After having dinner, when he revealed that he did not have the money to pay for the food, the waiters threw him out and refused to call the cops. The waiters of the restaurant did not call the uh, cops or policemen, they just threw him out from the restaurant. Now, then Soapy tried to get himself arrested by the yelling and dancing like a maniac, uh, like a madman. Okay, on the street in front of the policeman. The policeman thought him to be a drunken college student and left him alone. In his next plan, Soapy stole an umbrella. The man whose umbrella Soapy stole confessed that it did not belong to him. Rather, he said that he had found it and it could well be Soapy's. So he did not call the cops. When the Soapy stole someone's umbrella, the particular man also thought that he was the particular umbrella belongs to Soapy, and he did not call the cops. Soapy lost all hope and gave up trying to get himself arrested for the night and started for Madison Square Park. And on his way back, he stopped near a very quiet corner, very silent corner. So it was his childhood home, and the beautiful anthem music or a song coming from there. Soapy knew the anthem. Soapy reminded the music in his mind. It reminded him of his beautiful and secure past with family, friend, good hopes, and desires. He got his positivity back. He was suddenly filled with the new hopes. But when he thought, when his thought was changed and his mind converted positive, at the same time he was arrested. He was being arrested by cops at that time. Okay, and uh, he arrested, and next morning the judge sentenced Soapy to 3 months in prison. His last desire, his previous desire to get into prison was fulfilled. and now his present desire was to be a positive person in his life. So time has changed and his desire also changed, but his previous desire was fulfilled, present desire was still unfulfilled. So that was all about the person, the homeless person Sophie, whose mind changed, whose thinking was changed negative to positive because of the particular anthem. Okay, so revise the chapter once more time and learn question answer, revise them. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, students.